Hey guys, so I am getting ready. I just refilled my lash and brow serum. So I wanted to show you guys how I do that. These are a little bit bigger. I really like these tubes instead of this one. This one was a little bit messy. So we're gonna try these out because they actually have the little top that goes on top, like this. But I will add that once I'm done. So in a tube this size, I'm probably gonna do 20 drops each of lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20. Rosemary. Now you see here I'm using the Rosemary Vitality. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20. I'm using the Rosemary Vitality because I don't have the other one, but the oils in the Vitality and the regular green bottle are the exact same. The reason why we have the Vitality line is because it is considered safe for ingestion. So rosemary is really good for flavoring your food. You know, if you're making like a Italian dish, rosemary would be really, really good. You would want, they're super concentrated, so you would want to use a toothpick first to flavor the sauce or whatever it is that you're making, and then add as you know you taste and see how much you need. But the oil inside of the Vitality and the other colorful green bottle is the exact same. We just have to separate them and create a line of Vitality oils, just so we know which ones are ingestible and which ones are not. And of course, ingesting oils is optional and totally depends on your comfort level. So here we have cedarwood. Cedarwood is a little bit thicker, so it's going to take a while to come out. And the reason why is because it comes from a tree bark, cedarwood. Okay. All right. So I top this off. So there are all my oils. I top it off with castor oil, which I also got from Amazon. And I got the little bottle because I don't feel like I need to use, well, I won't be using a lot. Just gonna fill these up. And this one that I made for myself, as you can tell, is a lot smaller. I've been using it since March. So it's lasted me March, April, May, June, July, August. Like 4.5 months. So this is probably gonna go a lot longer. So there you have it. There, I put the little top thingy on this, and you have your lash serum.